What's happening? Green is for the money. Collard greens. It's real easy. It's gonna be a short video. You can't really go wrong with these. So if you mess these up, I would rethink cooking. Okay, just rethink the whole thing. Just don't even cook no more. No, I'm just playing. Now follow through. You know what I'm saying? Just pay attention to the ingredients. You know, I'm showing them one by one. Just do it like I do it, like I always say, and you'll have a good product. So I ain't gonna say too much. And that's sugar, by the way. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. You can use regular vinegar if you want to. I use apple cider because it's stronger and it kind of has a little bit more health properties to it. I season the water because it's easier to, have the greens all flavored at the same time once you put them in there. You ain't gotta put it on top of the greens, it's falling all through. It's just already in there, and then just soak it up. That's why I do it this way. I use a collard green and kale blend. I buy a bag of kale, I buy a bag of collard greens, and I mix them together. To me, I like them like that. Collard greens by themselves, that's cool too, but this is just my preference. I do kale and collard greens mix. usually cook my greens for about a good hour and a half, 2 hours before they start to look like this. These are pretty much done. Probably another 10, 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna let them cook kind of low right here. But after that, they done. I mean, you can take, a little fork and test them out, see if they're tender enough for your likings. If they are, cut them down low, let them just simmer. And this is the end product. Really, really delicious greens. I mean, I ain't gotta tell y'all know what collard greens taste like. These are good. Make these, enjoy them. Invite somebody over, have a little get together. Always good food brings good smiles, good laughter. I don't know why, but food always brings people together. Soul food especially. So y'all take care. Till next time.